Hey everyone, welcome to Mass Studies. This is Mastan. Today I am going to unbox the back case cover for the Apple iPad which is of 9.7 inch. So let's see the box which I have got from the Amazon. So this is the box. You can see it's a iPad cover suitable for 2017 as well as 2018 iPads. It has 6 functions. You can see these functions here. So it has a magnetic flip, and it has a writing stand. It can work as writing stand and other functions. It's a smart cover case for iPad of 9.7 inch. Okay, anyhow, let's open this and see what we have got inside. So we get some paperwork and iPad cover and nothing else inside. So you can see here Gen Master pad case. So let's keep that aside and see what we have got. So this is the cover which I have got. So nicely placed, nice good color iPad here. Let's open this and see the quality of this back cover case. So it's looking premium. So you can see sponge-like structure. So this is a hard material with leather, and it's a tri-fold case. You can see it has multiple folds. It's a tri-fold case with magnetic function, and at the back it's a plastic. Anyway, it protects your iPad. And it has got all the ports necessary for the iPad. This iPad case is suitable for 9.7 inch 2017 and 2018 models. You can see. So at the bottom also you got the ports for the speakers as well as for the lightning fashion guide. And at the top it has got the various ports, lock button port, as well as the 3.5 mm jack port. So it has got all the necessary ports, and let's take our iPad and fit it into that case. It seems to be a perfect fit. Yeah, it has got fitted perfectly. You can see the speakers are also fitted perfectly here into the holes. So at the side also we have the volume rocker buttons, and at the top everything is fitted fine. And let's see this cover, magnetic flip cover. So you can see if I open, it gets unlocked. That means the screen gets awakened. So let's see one more time. Let's lock this and close this cover. Once you open this cover, it gets awakened. The screen gets awakened here, and you can use it. So it's a nice function. It's a smart case, looking premium, rose gold color, and it's a tri-fold case. We can fold it and use it as a stand. And see here, so as I am folding this, and I can use this as stand. So you can see it's a perfect stand for viewing the videos or for writing or typing. So you can see it's a perfect fit. It won't fall backwards. It's a strong leather case, and you can adjust the angle by folding like this. The angle is somewhat higher this time. So you can use it as a multi-purpose level stand. Yeah, it's looking great, and it's a magnetic. You can see it's magnetically locked, and it's a smart cover. So this, all in all, this iPad is looking fine with this back cover case, and I think it will protect my iPad from scratches and falling down. So So if you want to buy this, I have posted a link below in the description. You can buy this cover from there. I have been posting videos for a long time, so I request you all to please like my videos and subscribe my channel, as I will be posting more and more videos. It will motivate me, your subscriptions and likes. And if you have anything to say about these videos, please comment below. Thanks for watching.